Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech offerings to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're exploring the Hyte Y70 Touch, a PC case that's turning heads with its groundbreaking features. Let's jump right in. The Hyte Y70 Touch is making waves in the PC case market with its innovative design. At first glance, it's evident that this isn't your average chassis. With its sleek lines and tempered glass panels, it's a real head-turner. But what sets this case apart is its 14.1-inch 4K touchscreen display. Yes, you heard that right. A touchscreen is built right into your PC case. It's not just a gimmick either. This screen is stunning and surprisingly functional. Now, let's talk about the specs. The Hyte Y70 Touch supports ATX, Mini ITX, Micro ATX, and eATX motherboards, offering plenty of flexibility for your build. It's also spacious inside, with room for up to 4 2.5-inch or 2 3.5-inch drives. Building in the Hyte Y70 Touch is a breeze, thanks to its open design and thoughtful layout. Despite its compact size, there's plenty of room for high-end components, including large GPUs and liquid cooling setups. Speaking of cooling, the Hyte Y70 Touch doesn't disappoint. With support for multiple fan configurations and radiator mounting options, keeping your components cool is a breeze. Plus, the case's acoustic performance is impressive, even under load. On the front panel, you'll find a range of I/O ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A and Type C ports, as well as a headphone mic jack. It's a small detail, but I appreciate the inclusion of an audio splitter for those with separate headset and mic connections. But perhaps the most exciting feature of the Hyte Y70 Touch is its Nexus software. This intuitive interface allows you to customize the touchscreen with widgets and apps, turning your PC case into a functional dashboard. In conclusion, the Hyte Y70 Touch is more than just a PC case. It's a statement piece. With its stunning 4K touchscreen display, spacious interior, and thoughtful design, it's a worthy investment for any PC enthusiast looking to stand out from the crowd. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy building!